Hello, water sports enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to set up and use our AdmitJet electric aquakart. First, we need to inflate the air cushion. The air cushion is specifically designed for collision protection, enhancing your safety while you enjoy the water. Let's take a closer look at the nozzle before inflating. Make sure to press the nozzle up. Now that it's fully inflated, let's screw the nozzle tightly and install it onto the air cushion. Attach the air cushion to the cart. There are 3 clips on each side. While attaching, pay attention to the orientation of the ropes. The ropes should face inward and thread underneath like this. The side with the beverage holder goes on the right side of the boat. Once in place, pull it tight to secure. Repeat these steps for all 6 clips, making sure each is tightly secured. When it's time to pack up, press down and pull out the nozzle to release the air, and then you can remove the air cushion. Now, let's check out the controls. Here's a green button, which is the start button. Press it to turn on the cart. Press again to shut it off. Over here, we have a manual drain valve. Make sure to familiarize yourself with its operation. Next, let's install the steering wheel. Screw it tight. There are 2 pull rings on either side. Pull them hard to lock the steering wheel in place at the base. Here's the reverse gear button, and this one here shows the battery level when pressed. This key stands vertically for slow mode and horizontally for fast mode. The key is removable, allowing you to adjust the speed. Down here we have the throttle pedal, and this is the electronics bay next to the battery compartment. Before installing the battery, align the 2 battery interfaces. Insert the battery, then place the seat cushion over it and press down to secure it, and that's it. You're all set to enjoy your AdmitJet electric aquakart. Always remember to wear a life jacket and follow all safety instructions. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave any questions in the comments below. Happy boating, and see you on the water.